Dear learners, welcome to this presentation on sterilization. But before starting to our today's presentation, if you have still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe by clicking on subscribe button for latest updates and videos. So let us start with our today's presentation. After watching this video, the learners will be able to define sterilization, then compare and contrast between sterilization and disinfection, and understand the methods of sterilization. So, what is sterilization? So, it can be defined as sterilization. It is the process of complete destruction of all the microorganisms that are present in a system. Okay, so by this process of sterilization, there is complete destruction of microorganisms. Okay, so the products that are free from living microorganisms, they are called as sterile products. So this is about sterilization. So next point, that is, what is the difference between sterilization and disinfection? Okay, we are all familiar with this word sterilization and disinfection. So what is the difference between sterilization and disinfection? So the first difference is, as we know, sterilization, it is the process by which all the viable forms of microorganisms, they are removed or destroyed. Okay, by the process of sterilization, the microorganisms are removed or destroyed, whereas in disinfection, it is a process that removes infection potential by destroying the microorganisms. Then next difference is, in sterilization, the bacterial spores are also destroyed. So this is very important. Okay, by the sterilization process, the bacterial spores are, they are also destroyed, whereas in disinfection, the bacterial spores are not destroyed. Okay, then next difference is, in sterilization, the sterilization is done by any of the methods, that is by physical method, chemical or mechanical method, whereas the disinfection is done by using any one of the disinfectant. So this is the difference between sterilization and disinfection. So our next point is methods of sterilization. So as we have seen in difference between sterilization and disinfection, there are three methods of sterilization. So the first method is physical method, second is the chemical method, and third one is the mechanical method. So first we will see the physical methods. So physical methods, it is again divided further into, first is dry heat sterilization. Okay, so the common example of a dry heat sterilization, the equipment used is the hot air oven. Okay, then next is the moist heat sterilization. So here the most common example is the of moist heat sterilization is autoclave. So the other methods other than autoclave, which are used for sterilization by moist heat, they are tyndallization and pasteurization. Okay, then the third one is the radiation sterilization. Okay, so the radiation sterilization, it is of again two types, that is sterilization by the use of ultraviolet rays, and second one is the sterilization by ionizing radiation. So this is about the physical method. There are main three types of physical methods: dry heat sterilization, moist heat sterilization, and radiation sterilization. An example of dry heat sterilization is hot air oven. Equipment used is hot air oven. In moist heat sterilization, example is autoclave. And radiation sterilization, it is of two types, that is sterilization by use of ultraviolet rays, and second one is sterilization by ionizing radiation. So this is about the physical method. Then next is the chemical methods. So chemical methods, it is of two types. First, sterilization by heating with bactericide. Okay, sterilization by heating with bactericide. And second one is the gaseous sterilization. So there are two types of chemical methods. First is the sterilization by heating with bactericide, and second one is the gaseous sterilization. Then next one is the mechanical methods. Okay, so the various types of bacteria proof filters that are used in mechanical methods are: first is the ceramic filters, second is the sheets filter, then third one is the sintered glass filters, then next is the sintered metal filters, and membrane filters. So these are the various types of bacteria proof filters that are used in mechanical methods. Okay, that is ceramic filters, sheets filter, sintered glass filters, sintered metal filters, and membrane filters. So we have seen in this presentation, first we have seen the definition of sterilization, then we have seen the difference between sterilization and disinfection, then we have seen the methods of sterilization, which are physical methods, chemical methods, and mechanical methods. So thank you for your patience listening. If you like this video, then press like button and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your patience listening. Keep learning.